Welcome to your course registration for 2018-2019 for Traverse City East Middle School. In order to start your class registration for 2018-2019, once you log into PowerSchool, click on Class Registration, and that'll bring you to this page. For each set of courses, you'll see a description or a requirement underneath the course description. For example, for the full year required music courses, you must select one music class as your first choice. Follow the instructions here to click the Edit button to request a course. I click that pencil icon, and you'll notice a couple things here. The name of the course will be in this first column, and the course description is next to it. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice that there is a second page of options. On the second page, you'll find Creative Arts. So you'll select your course, check the box, scroll down, and click OK. You'll notice that it's confirmed. This gray box appears next to the requirement, and you can move on to the next category. Full year, every other day elective courses. Please note, select 2 full year, every other day elective courses. Click on the pencil. Scroll to the bottom to see if there are multiple pages. There's only one page of options. I'll select 2 electives, Technology Essentials and STEM Exploration. Scroll back to the bottom and click OK. You'll notice those classes are confirmed. And then I also have to select 1 alternate music class and 2 alternate elective classes. Again, click on the pencil. When you get to this menu, you'll notice that for the alternate electives, they're mixed in. The music classes are mixed in with the general electives. So for my alternate music course, I will select beginning band, flute, and oboe. And then for my other electives, I'll check out page 2, and I'll take Student Tech 6 through 8 and Intro to Theater. Again, I scroll to the bottom page, I click OK to confirm, and I see those boxes appear in that row. Now it's time to select your full year required courses. Click the pencil. Here are the choices between regular coursework and AT coursework. So you'll have a choice between English Language Arts 6 and English Language Arts 6 AT. Select the one you want to enroll in and scroll down to find your math options. Select the math option. Scroll down to find your science options. Select your science option and scroll down again finally for your social studies. Select that option, scroll to the very bottom and click OK. We have confirmed those 4 courses at the level that we requested. And then finally, one last class, the full year, every other day, Health and Physical Education course. Click the pencil one last time. There's 1 required course for this, so simply check that box, scroll to the bottom, and click OK. Once you've selected all of your courses, you'll see 1 music, 2 electives, 3 alternates, 4 required courses, and 1 PE. Then we'll come down to the right and click on Submit. This confirms the courses that you requested and your alternates. And you're all done.